I'm reading a book right now called Biomimicry.
Right.
Okay, so there's so much to learn from nature.
Yeah.
Architects, science, technology, designers, everybody, because nature is perfect. Nature has evolved over millions of years, and nature doesn't make mistakes. But can you find that connection in nature?
Yeah.
A mathematics teacher is teaching Fibonacci sequence to a bunch of school kids, right? Take the kids out on the garden and show them a petal flower which follows the Fibonacci sequence. That is the challenge. So this is one thing that I've seen constantly common